I'm king of this shit, yeah, I do it with elegance, I'm in the zone. I'm in my element, I'm with the spiders and all of them venomous. Can't give me brain at the bitch unintelligent. Hoes are retarded, I guess I'll be celibate. Indian nigga, I'm up on the elephant. Why you be rapping if you so irrelevant? Wait till your genitals go through development. I hate a skeleton, turn into gelatin, make a spirit fly, piling up pelicans. Fuck a human being, I'm out of melanin, doesn't make a nigga more so malevolent. You know I tell him it, animal delegate, stealing and burning and kill for the hell of it. All of these rappers is funny and evident, all of them fucking with you for the benefit. Do I be fucking with them, it's a negative, niggas be acting complacent, I'll send it. All of your music is getting repetitive, like how I rap on the trap, but it's better if I just get credited. I ain't invented it, I just be gassing you all up adrenaline. I'm so competitive, everyone got their opinion, but all of it relative. I'm in the co of my niggas bacteria. Always be honest with niggas that near to you. Niggas fall off, always acting superior. I'm in the good of this on the criteria. Wanna join us, you don't meet the criteria. I got that rocket that poppin' in Syria. I be so cold to these niggas Siberia. I wanna try get up, nigga, I carry ya. Pull up just bumming a nigga invertebrate. I'm in the city, ain't gonna hide murder rate. Pussy, a nigga be talking, they should rate. Sugar, I'm putting little nigga, that's sort of bait. Pull up a nugget away, run a man, run a man. Something better get away, put a grab on a man. Bitch, you with the foot again, jump in that, jump in that. Okay, get cut, make GTA on the man. Vroom, vroom, my heart with a whip and I zoom, zoom. These niggas be shitting like boom, boom. I'm winning, I'm turning, I'm boom, boom. That nigga was what they put in. They bottle, I'm putting my foot in. Get out of your feelings, you could win, but you ain't too cold to be cool then. I'm on my nigga.